Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Nvidia launches Isaac Grok Open Humanoid Robot Reference Platform, BotBuhdy. LG Electronics converts Seoul campus into Korea's first humanoid data factory. Chinese humanoid startup EngineAI files. Confidentially for Hong Kong, IPO at $1.5 billion. And finally, OpenAI and Oracle signed $60 billion annual cloud computing deal. Let's get into it.
Nvidia just handed the robotics world the blueprint it's been begging for. At GTC Taipei, Jensen Huang unveiled Isaac Grok, a complete open-source humanoid robot that any serious lab can start building on today. Think about what this actually is: a Unitree H2+ body with 31 degrees of freedom, Sharpa-wave tactile hands with 22 degrees of freedom each, all running on Nvidia's Blackwell-powered Jetson AGX Thor. Stanford is already in. ETH Zurich is already in. The Allen Institute for AI is already in. The software stack covers everything: teleoperation, simulation, deployment, ROS integration, foundation models. Nvidia isn't just selling shovels for the AI gold rush anymore. They're handing out complete robotic bodies and brains to any lab that wants them. This open reference platform could become the Android of humanoids. It ships late 2026, but the race starts right now.
This one caught my eye. There is more to this story than you might think.
Data is the new oil, but for robots, you cannot just scrape the internet. You have to physically live the experience. LG Electronics gets this. They are converting their 33,000 square meter Yangjai R&D campus in Seoul into Korea's first humanoid data factory. Starting July, 100 Cloyd home robots will perform thousands of household and light factory tasks every single day, scaling to 300 by year-end. The goal? Generate the real-world trajectories needed to train robot foundation models. LG is investing over $400 billion through 2030. That is roughly $263 million. A commercial home robot is targeted for release in 2028. While everyone else debates benchmarks, LG is manufacturing experience at industrial scale.
All right, let's go. This next story has me fired up. You are going to want to hear this.
While safety debates are still swirling, Chinese robotics firms are marching straight into public markets. Reports emerged this week that Shenzhen-based EngineAI has filed confidentially for a Hong Kong IPO. The company was last valued at $1.5 billion in April of this year. That's just 3 months from a fresh valuation to a stock market filing, and it follows a wave of Chinese robotics companies going public as the physical AI race accelerates. Here's the signal. The capital markets aren't waiting for perfect scores on benchmarks. They're betting on tangible, buildable hardware that works in factories today. EngineAI's filing proves that investors see credible paths to revenue, even outside Western labs. Physical AI is now a distinct, fundable asset class, and the money is moving fast.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. I did not see this coming at all.
OpenAI just wrote the biggest infrastructure check in tech history, a 5-year cloud pact with Oracle worth $60 billion per year. That's $300 billion total starting in 2027. Under the deal, OpenAI's models, including GPT 5.5 and Codex, will be available directly through the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Marketplace. Enterprise customers with existing Oracle commitments can tap OpenAI without building a single new server. Now think about what this really means. While scrappy startups are scrambling for GPU access, OpenAI just locked down enough compute to power a small nation. It's the largest AI cloud deal ever signed, and it positions Oracle as a major enterprise AI distribution channel. This isn't just a vendor agreement, it's OpenAI outsourcing its infrastructure spine to one of the biggest names in cloud computing. The cloud wars just got very real.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.